Good morning, World History classes. This is your video explanation of what we're doing Tuesday, 10/6. So if you go into Schoology, into World History, you scroll down to Unit 1, you go into Week 4. So for Tuesday, it's the quiz review. So we're going to have the quiz on Thursday. But this is just the review, so you'll click on the review. It will take you into the Quizlet, and pretty much what I want you to do. Okay, and this Quizlet will, for the most part, be what's going to be on the quiz. I would also just kind of go back through the notes, which are still posted on here on Schoology. You'll just have to go back into Schoology, into the assignment where we did the notes. And some of the other assignments, but I would just go through the flashcards, play some of the games. Okay, if you're live in person, we'll play Quizlet Live at the end of class. If not, you'll just use this review to go over the material. And like I said, I would still look at the notes and some of the other assignments just to refresh yourself. It is a quiz. Okay, it's not a big quiz. But it will be your first look at assessments for the class. Okay, and it will be multiple choice and true false. The other portion that you need to do for today is the discussion board. Okay, and the discussion board question is, do you feel ready for the quiz on Thursday? What do you feel would make you feel more prepared for the quiz? I need to reword that, but what would make you feel better for the quiz is essentially what I'm asking you. Okay, if you have anything, just go ahead and comment about that, and I will try to accommodate for the next quiz and test. And like I said, Thursday will be the test, and then Friday we will move on to the Renaissance. If you have any questions, if you're in class, you can just go ahead and ask. And if you are not in class, okay, you're more asynchronous, if you shoot me an email about this review, or if you have questions about the quiz, just send me an email. All right, thank you. Bye.